In today's video, we're going to delve into the topic of assessment strategies, an essential component of the educational process. Assessment strategies play a critical role in measuring student learning and understanding. They are designed not only to evaluate what students know but also to enhance their educational experiences. By using varied assessment methods, educators can gain deeper insights into student progress and areas that need improvement. One of the most common assessment strategies is formative assessment. This involves regular check-ins during the learning process, allowing teachers to monitor student understanding and provide timely feedback. Techniques such as quizzes, polls, and classroom discussions can help identify students who may be struggling with particular concepts. Formative assessments encourage ongoing learning and adjustment, promoting a growth mindset among students. Another important strategy is summative assessment, which typically occurs at the end of a unit or course. Summative assessments, such as final exams or projects, evaluate students' learning against a set of standards or benchmarks. These assessments provide a comprehensive overview of what students have retained over a longer period. They are crucial for informing decisions about grading and reporting student progress to parents and stakeholders. Peer assessment is yet another effective approach. This strategy involves students evaluating each other's work, which fosters a collaborative learning environment. Peer assessment helps students develop critical thinking and analytical skills as they provide feedback to their classmates. Additionally, it encourages a sense of ownership over their learning, as students learn to articulate their insights and justify their evaluations. Lastly, incorporating technology into assessment strategies can significantly enhance the process. Digital tools and platforms enable more interactive and engaging assessments. For instance, online quizzes can provide instant feedback, while discussion forums encourage collaborative learning. Utilizing technology not only streamlines the assessment process but also caters to diverse learning styles, making assessments more accessible to every student. In summary, effective assessment strategies are crucial for fostering a successful learning environment. By utilizing formative and summative assessments, peer evaluations, and technology, educators can create a dynamic and responsive assessment landscape. This holistic approach not only measures student learning but also supports ongoing development, ensuring that every student has the opportunity to succeed. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this information valuable as you explore the world of assessment strategies in education.